So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start this video without any further delay. So basically, this video is going to be routine of 23rd August 2025, and today is Saturday. So basically, in this video, I'm gonna share you like what is actually happening in my today's routine video. So without having any further delay, let's start. Basically, today first of all, I woke up. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then at the time of morning, I studied. Right. Then after that, I talked to my mother and I studied. So basically, after that I talked to my brother-in-law. Basically, my sister's husband came, right? So today I talked to them, right? And after that I studied. Then at the time of evening I ate food. But I want to say you one thing that I was feeling extremely cold, right? So that's the thing. What is actually happened? The whole night I was unable to sleep just because of this. But you know, I went for the sleep for some hours, right? So so after that I went for the sleep. So basically, guys, this is the thing what has actually happened in my today's reading video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like the videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So this is all, guys, what is actually happened. So to the previous video, basically I talk about Shin-chan's family. Right now I'm gonna continue from where I stopped. Basically, I completed the Zero's character. Now I'm gonna to speak about the character of his characters of his friends. Right, so let's start from the very first. I think that Kazama, right? uh, Kazama. So basically, Kazama is like a rich guy, right? Who has so much, who's wealthy, right? Whose parents is wealthy, right? Not Kazama. Whose parents is wealthy. That's why he's looks like say rich and following the rich path, right? And also, so yes, guys, and also I want to say you that he is very good in studies, also learning languages in French. Maybe if he is also learning French, but yes, maybe I think so. English, he is also taking classes for learning English, right? So yes, guys, that's the thing. What is actually I want to say to that. Then, sometimes, basically, let me tell you one thing that Shinchan, Kazama, Masao, Bochan, Nani. These five are one of the group and friends and have a group name. It has a group name. They have a group name. I don't know the group name exactly right now. Let me think of it. Defense group, I know the suffix, but the prefix I am unable to remember. Uh, it is maybe I think that it is the Japan's one place name where Shinchan live. Defense group. Okay. Okay, just a second, guys. Basically, guys, I'm unable to remember the defense group name. So basically, defense group, the prefix I'm unable to remember, right? That's the place name, right? So yes, maybe I think that was place name, right? So basically, they are five friends, right? So let's talk about Kazama's character. Something I already told that, and always Shinchan irritates him as far as I know, right? So that's the thing what has actually happened, guys. And to the next character I want to talk about Nani, right? So Nani is a basically she likes to, just a second, guys. She likes to play home game in Hindi. In the dubbed cartoon, the game name is Ghar Ghar, right? So basically, that's the game she actually plays, right? Also, in that game, she always takes the character of his friends. Okay, so like sometimes husband, sometimes maybe I think so friend. So, but his friends don't want to play that such kind of game, right? So yes, guys, that's the character of Nanny. Also, sometimes she become very angry, right? Also, but yeah, okay. Now let's talk about the character whose name is Masao. basically Masao is also a friend of Shinchan, and also, but he is actually a very coward boy and have so much fear, right? He has so much fear, and what I can say about him. So uh, basically, he he wanted to be a comics artist, right? He writes his own comics as far as I know, right? Maybe I think so, guys. And yes, guys, and let's talk about the and Bo-chan, right? Basically, I am very curious to tell you about the story of Bo-chan, right? Basically, in episode there is not shown the parents of Bo-chan in TV, as far as I know. Maybe I think so. And his he has a rainy nose always, and also I want to say you that he is a good, right, as far as I know. And also the one of the movie is also coming, which is Shinchan came to India. The name is Shinchan and the uh, Indian spicy dancers, maybe I think so. This is the such kind of title, and which is the main character is going to be Bo-chan, right, of that movie, right? So basically that's the thing what is actually I want to talk about it, right, guys? Now this is the and the boss character, he likes to collect the he has a hobby of stone collection, right? So he always uses to collect these stones, right? And yes, guys, that's the thing what has actually happened. Now let's talk about the another characters, is schools teachers as well as principals characters. Let's talk about very first from the principal. So I don't know the exact name of principal, so Shinchan uses to call him sometimes principal, sometimes gang leader, right? So but his as per the episode, his face shown as very, dangerous, and everybody has fear of him, right? Then but he is actually very a good person, very kind-hearted person. And yes, now let's talk about the its teachers, right? So uh, Shinchan has three teachers as far as I know, Yoshinaka madam, as well as the remaining two is and the remaining two I was unable to remember, Yoshinaka madam, and I'm not gonna to discuss about his teacher's character. Basically, I'm not remembering the name itself, but one teacher is likes to do shopping, fashion, and one teacher is very good. It means not every teacher is not good. Every teacher is good. I'm just telling about the character, and the third teacher is very, innocent, right? But when his glasses take off, she becomes very confident, right? So that's the thing what is actually I want to talk it about regarding the Shinchan, right? So basically the thing is that the remaining about this Shinchan's thing, the remaining portion I would like to talk to the upcoming videos, right? Till yet I want to stop it. So what I have discussed, I already discussed about the Shinchan's family. Also I discussed about the uh, what I discussed about the Shinchan's friend Kazama, Nani, Masao, Bochan, and also I speak about it, Shinchan's principal, also something about the Shinchan's teacher, right? So yes, one of the teacher name is Yoshinaka ma'am, and one of the teacher name is Matsudaka madam, right? So the third teacher name I actually have no any idea the name. Basically I remember the name, but I'm not getting right now. Yes, guys. And the remaining portion what I actually wanted to discuss about the Shinchan and their movies, I would like to discuss with the upcoming videos, right? So in today's videos I have discussed about my routine, and also I discuss about this Shinchan's world. So this is all, guys, what is actually happened. I hope you have really understood this video, right? If I am speaking and if you are not understanding, then there is not any matter of speaking of mine, right? Yeah, but the improving of speaking, while speaking there is an improvement will be happen, right? So yes guys, this is all what is actually happened. So I think that guys it is all enough for today guys, so let's end the video guys. See you Radhe, bye bye.